Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So the deal with the SheaMoisture deodorant just got a little bit sweeter. And I know this is kind of one of the deodorants people either really love it or really don't like it. I have been using native deodorant for a very long time, for years, and this is very similar to it. So I love it, but some people say they don't like it. But if you were kind of like, I'm not too sure about this deodorant, and the deal wasn't that great. It just got so much sweeter. So I'm pretty excited for 99-cent deodorant. So you're going to go to Walgreens. I recommend to do this deal in store because you need a receipt for Fetch Rewards. And if it doesn't print or whatever, you might be in a bit of trouble because you need a physical receipt for this one. So what you're going to do is grab two of these for $10.99. You're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2. Also, many of you were complaining that you couldn't load it, you couldn't find it. I recommend that even if you load it and you can't find it in your digital coupons folder, digitally throw two of these into a basket and see what happens. Does the $10 come off? Yes or no? Alternatively, yesterday I made a video showing you how to load digital coupons through the ad. Very easy video. It's like 4 minutes long. I recommend you watch it even if you're an experienced shopper because it's very easy to do, because sometimes on Sunday those digital coupons are not there, how to find them in the app, and then how to also remove them if you wish, but don't remove this one. Okay, back to the deal. We're going to grab two of those deodorants, and it's on a promotion this week of buy two, get $5 in Walgreens cash back. Now with that, the word buy is in there, so guess what? You can actually use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. So let's just remember, when the word buy is in there, you can roll your Walgreens cash as long as you're not putting in this with a large booster. Now this is where the deal gets really fantastic. Fetch Rewards, app to the stars, has a 20 back on Unilever personal beauty and personal care at Walgreens specifically. So go in your Fetch app. Do you have this one? Yes or no? And yes, you are past that $20 cap, so you'll get your $5 back. SheaMoisture is actually there, and it started on the 16th, which is Friday, and it's going right till the 13th of September. So if you did the deal earlier in the month, sorry, Charlie, it starts on Friday, but make sure you have this one in your rebates in the Fetch Rewards app. So here it is, guys. Two of those deodorants is $21.98. Subtracting your $10 digital coupon, you're going to pay $11.98 or roll $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.98 if you wish. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying two of these magical deodorants. Photograph your receipt to Fetch Rewards to get another $5,000 back, which is basically $5. It makes it $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per deodorant. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash. You can spend it to earn it in this transaction. And then don't forget, grab that receipt, photograph it to Fetch Rewards right away, and make sure you have that rebate. And if you have not signed up for Fetch Rewards, today's the day. Sign up, use my code and all that stuff. I think you get an extra $2 when you submit your first receipt. It could be on anything. It's this app where you just like photograph receipts for points, and SheaMoisture is part of their partnership program. So I mean, this is just a fantastic deal. If you were on the fence, if you're like, I didn't want to do it, you have until Saturday. Make this deal happen. 99 cents for a deodorant that's almost 11. Fantastic deal. The last thing I want to touch on before I skedaddle, we have a Folgers Classic Roast, 9.6 ounces. So that's quite a bit of coffee for $4.49 this week. Last night, a $2.50 digital coupon showed up. Load that, and you're paying $1.99 for this coffee. And this is one of these products with inflation, or whatever you want to call it, hyperinflation. It's gotten really, really expensive for coffee. I've noticed that myself because we drink a lot of coffee in our household. So I would definitely grab one of these for $1.99. That's a fantastic price point. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same price point of $4.49 next week. So if you are already at Walgreens looking for that SheaMoisture, I would definitely get one of these coffees because this is the sort of product that a lot of us like. At the very least, just load that $2.50 digital coupon because it's fantastic. And if you drink a lot of coffee, you know that, I really like Folgers as well. I would definitely grab one of those while you're in the store. That's it for this video, guys. I got to run back out and get two more of those SheaMoisture deodorants because I totally love this deodorant. I love the product as well. So I'm going to go and do that, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.